The Meta Quest 2 came out in October 2020, and since then it has just gotten better with more and improved features than before. The hardware too has received several useful updates, including 120Hz refresh rate support for some games, AirLink to wirelessly connect to a gaming PC, and more. Meta has planned some big updates for 2022, one of them being Meta accounts. The new system, announced at ComNect, is supposed to free Quest users from the Facebook account requirement. The second big update scheduled to come later this year is Horizon Home. This update is in relation to allowing its users to connect to the metaverse and will allow users to invite their friends to their starting environment and explore the beginnings of the metaverse together. According to sources, Meta is also working on a complete overhaul of the launch environment. This quantum launch environment is set to receive a new interface and become more productivity focused. Furthermore, the launch environment will also be optimized for a higher resolution and frame rate. There are also rumors for NFT support and a customizable launch environment. These were two big updates set to come later this year. However, recent updates have made the Meta Quest 2 a great headset, not just for gaming. The V23 update brought Oculus Move to Quest and Quest 2. The feature works a bit like a Fitbit or Apple Watch by using your movements to estimate your calorie burn. Meta wants the Quest and Quest 2 to be more than just a gaming device, and the fitness feature naturally pairs well with movement-focused applications like Beat Saber, O-Shape, and Supernatural. Speaking of productivity with a VR headset, a keyboard and mouse is a must. Luckily, Quest and Quest 2 now have the ability to connect to a Bluetooth mouse and keyboard. To pair a Bluetooth device to Quest, go to Settings, Experimental, and then find the Bluetooth pair button, which will open a dialog to display nearby Bluetooth devices to connect to. Of course, you can't use the keyboard or mouse in typical VR games, but they'll definitely help you navigate the Oculus browser much more quickly, or you can even use an app like Virtual Desktop to access your desktop computer remotely, and use the paired mouse and keyboard for real productivity work. With all these amazing features, the Meta VR 2 is going to be an impressive device that will not only improve gaming, but a host of other activities.